Navigating to User Role Management. Let's begin the process of adding a new user to your platform. Start by going to the Settings menu. From there, select User Role Management, which is the hub for managing all user-related tasks. Adding a new user. Inside User Role Management, click on the Add User button. This opens a form where you'll enter the following details: first name and last name to identify the user, the user's email ID, which will be used to send login credentials and notifications, their phone number for verification and contact purposes. Select their country to configure regional settings. Next, assign a role to the user. Here, we're assigning the super user role, which grants them administrative capabilities. Sending the invitation email. Once the details are complete, click on Add User. This action will send an invitation email to the user. You can see the newly added user listed on your screen. Resending the invitation email. If needed, you can resend the invitation email by clicking on the 3 vertical dots next to the user's name and selecting Resend Invitation. This ensures they have everything they need to access their account. User receives the email. The user will now access their email to complete the setup process. Within the email, they'll find a password reset link. Clicking on this link will guide them to a secure page. Resetting the password. On the password reset page, the user will create a new password that complies with security requirements. Confirm the password to ensure it matches. After completing this step, they'll finalize the process by clicking Reset Password. Logging in and accessing the platform. With their password set, the user can now log into their account. Based on the super user role you've assigned, they can manage various aspects of your platform seamlessly. Returning to the main account, go back to Settings, then User Role Management. Click on the 3 vertical dots next to the user's name. Notice that the option to resend the invitation email is no longer available, confirming the user has completed the setup process. And that's it. You've successfully added a new user, assigned their role, and ensured they have access to the platform. This concludes the walkthrough of adding a new user in User Role Management,